Okay. Now let me remind you guys. This also, well, let's play the clip really quick. Well, what clip does Ed Won'tness have on here? What is this? Oh, it's just court footage. Okay, pause it. Okay, go back out. Yeah, this guy. Okay, there you go. Perfect pause, Todd. Okay, let me remind you guys what this one was over. This was this judge in New York saying that Donald Trump committed bank fraud, essentially, by saying that Mar-a-Lago is worth $1 billion. And then this bank judge says, Mar-a-Lago's not worth $1 billion. It's worth
19 million.
I don't know. I'll pay 19 million for it.
Yeah, exactly.
To put it in contrast for you, there is an empty plot of dirt close to Mar-a-Lago that just the dirt is worth $20 million to buy it. Just to put it in contrast for you there, okay, across the board. That's what this was about. So if you go back out of this, Leticia James tried to get, well, they did. Like they convicted him on this and basically said he owed $500 million in a civil fraud fine. The Attorney General Leticia James' case was just thrown out by the New York Appeals Court. Can we get some American flags for the Americanist president, the greatest president ever? Donald Trump wins yet again. Again, riding the ship that was the insanity of 2020 to 2024, okay, where a New York judge who's not a realtor, he doesn't do anything in realty, nothing, okay, can just look at a property in a state that he's not even a judge over and go, that thing's not worth $1 billion. That thing's worth 19 million. I wouldn't give you a dime over 19 million for it.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, let's see here. What's next on the clip here? What is this, Todd? What am I looking at?
That's the video for it. Let's go
to the next thing. I want to go to is that the flashback tweet?
Yeah. This one is. Hold up.
All right, bring me down to the flashback tweet.
Yeah, this is when Leticia went on The View to talk about it.
Okay, all right, yeah. So again, we're not going to play her stupid mouth, but back in 2020, Leticia James was talking about she was going to get Trump. Can we go to her smiling in court? That's the next one, I think. And I just want to show all this because at the end of the day, the good won, the bad lost. Here we go. This is her smiling in the courtroom. It's 6 seconds, but let's try to frame it on her smiling here.
There we have the Attorney General, Leticia James.
Right there. Just there she was, as confident as she could be that Donald Trump was fixing to go down over all this stuff with a made-up case, a made-up this, a made-up that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a huge moment. This is a huge moment because, again, we are righting the wrongs that during the Biden administration, there you go. This is everybody that's on Trump War Room, love you guys. I became good friends with you guys while I was at the Pentagon. February 23rd, 2024, when Donald Trump was convicted, she said $464,576,230.62 is how much Donald Trump owed. And no, he doesn't. He doesn't owe a single dime to you. She should be removed from office in disgrace. Is what she should be.
So can Trump go after her for
filing
I
would sue her for the exact same amount of money. That's what I would do.
Yeah, that's a beautiful idea.
I would have a lawsuit immediately. Go back. What was the number? Mr. President, you should do, now it's been thrown out in court, you should have a counter lawsuit for defamation and all of this against the New York AG's office for $464,576,230, and I would make it 47 cents just to make it a little thing right there.
Yeah,
or
that's good.
You just make
that's
it
good.
4747474747. That's it. That's what I would do. I'd make it. That's what I would sue for. Boom. You're welcome, Mr. President.
That's beautiful.
If he sues for a bunch of 474747474747s, you heard it here first, and you know who he's listening to. What is this? What is this crap?
This is when she said she would bring back a check from Trump with hundreds of millions of dollars.
Sure, play it just because. Yeah, why not? It's just fun to listen.
And that
to
is
her.
why I will be honored when I walk into that courtroom on October 2nd.
Will be honored.
Well, my role is civil. But I will come back before you soon with a check for $250 million.
You didn't get none of it. You didn't get none of it.
And to let you know that he is no longer allowed to do business in the state of New York.
That didn't happen either.
Like
did it,
that's my that's my question. Like, do you really think that benefits the city and the people of New York to have a gazillionaire businessman who owns a lot in that city to not be able to do business? Like, do you really think that's a good idea, you tard?
No, literally, the New York skyline was designed a lot via Donald Trump. A lot of people don't realize that. Like what
Like,
you
good
see
Lord.
about that is Donald Trump.